Hello everyone, this is 𝗪𝗵𝘆 𝗣𝗯😋 welcomes you all on Pabbly. So guys, in this video you are going to learn how to send serial keys automatically to customers on SMS, right? So guys, before I start explaining to you how we are going to do this, let me tell you why you should watch this video. So guys, if you opt this method that I'm about to tell you, it will surely improve your productivity, it will save a lot of your crucial time and energy, and it will improve your business. How? Let me tell you. Suppose that you are selling any software or application online, right? And you want to share with your customers the activation key of that software after they purchase it, so that they can use that key to run that software after installing it, right? Now you are using Razorpay application to receive the payments of your software. So guys, Razorpay is a payment gateway application, and you have created a payment page here to receive the payments for your software. Now you want to send the serial key of that software via SMS to your customers, and to send the SMS you are using an application called as Twilio. So guys, by Twilio you can send bulk SMS, right? Now to get this done you have two ways. One way is that whenever you receive a payment from Razorpay payment page, you are going to manually sort out the details of the customer. Then you will come to Twilio here and manually type a message for that customer, add your serial key in that, and then send it on the SMS, right? But guys, if you are receiving hundreds of orders and hundreds of payments on daily basis, this manual process can consume a lot of your time and energy and can be very problematic. So we have a better way. What if I tell you that as and when you receive a payment of your software here in Razorpay, a SMS will get automatically delivered via Twilio to the customers along with your serial key. Yes guys, this can happen, and to make this happen I am using a software here called as Pabbly Connect. So guys, Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software, and what it will do, it will connect these two applications together such that whenever you receive a new payment here, an SMS will get automatically delivered to the customer along with your serial key. And the best part of making this automation guys is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge, so any non-technical person can also make this automation. So now let me give you a demo on my screen of how this connection or automation between Razorpay and Twilio is going to work in real time. So guys, this is my computer screen, and here you can see I am on the payment page of a software antivirus that I am selling, Quacknil antivirus, right? So whenever someone purchases our antivirus from this page, we are going to send to him or her the activation key or the serial key of this software, right? So let's make a demo purchase here. I am filling the name as, let's say, 𝗪𝗵𝘆 and the email address and the phone number. Let me fill the phone number. Okay, so we are going to send the SMS on this number, right? And let me select the product. Now I'm going to click on pay here, and from this window I'm going to select the payment mode as card, and here I'm going to enter the test card details. This is not an original card. Okay, and let me fill the details here, right, like this. Now I'm going to click on pay, and you can see this is the banking page, demo bank page. Now I'm going to click on success here. So guys, you can see the payment is successful here. Now we will check on the mobile phone screen of our customer. I'll show you the mobile phone screen if he receives the SMS from our side for this purchase or not. So guys, this is an SMS our customer received for the purchase, and it is saying, dear 𝗪𝗵𝘆, thank you for your purchase. Your license key information is this. If you have any query, you can contact us at this email address, and thank you, right? So this is how it is going to happen in real time. Whenever someone purchases our product, we are going to send this type of SMS with the license key or the serial number, right? So guys, let me show you the easiest possible steps by which you can also make this integration or automation and send serial numbers automatically via SMS. So guys, these are the 3 easy steps by which you can also make this integration and automation and send serial keys automatically to customers on SMS. So step 1 is connect Pabbly Connect to Razorpay with the help of webhook URL. So first of all, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and connect our Razorpay payment page with Pabbly Connect. And step 2 says collect new purchase data from Razorpay in Pabbly Connect. So in second step, we'll make a demo purchase again and collect the data of that purchase here in Pabbly Connect. Step 3 says send the serial key to customer on SMS via Twilio. So finally we are going to send the serial key of our software to the customer on SMS via Twilio. Okay, so first of all, let's jump back to our step 1 and open Pabbly Connect. So in your internet browser, type here Pabbly, that is pabbly.com. And this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here, you have to put your cursor on this products icon and you will find this Pabbly Connect. Click on it. And now you can set up your free Pabbly Connect trial account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up free button, which I have already done. So I'm going to click on sign in directly. Now from this all apps section of Pabbly, come to Pabbly Connect panel and click on access now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and to start working here, you have to create workflows like these. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on create workflow button, and here you have to give a relevant name to your workflow. So let me fill the name. So I have filled the name as send serial keys automatically via SMS on Razorpay payment. Okay, now click on create here. And your workflow will be created like this, and you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect work on these things. The trigger says when this happens, action says do this. All right. So as in our use case, the trigger would be is a new Razorpay payment of our software, and the action would be is to send the serial key to the customer via SMS. Right. So first of all, you have to click here on this trigger window. And from this choose app, you have to choose the application as Razorpay. This is Razorpay we have. Then on this trigger event, you have to select payment captured option. And it will generate this URL. So with the help of this URL called as webhook URL, we are going to connect Razorpay with Pabbly Connect. So you can follow these instructions written here to connect Razorpay with Pabbly Connect. So let me show you the process. I'm going to my Razorpay dashboard. This is my Razorpay's dashboard, and here I'm going to click on settings. Okay, and here in this settings you will find this webhooks option. Click on webhooks, and here you have to click here on add new webhook button, and here in this webhook URL field you have to paste the webhook that you have copied. So let's click on copy here in Pabbly Connect and paste this webhook URL here in this field. Right now in this active events, you have to select this payment captured option, payment.captured. Click on it and then click on create webhook. Okay, so you can see a webhook is saved successfully. Right now in Pabbly Connect, you will see it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. This means it is time to do a test submission or a demo payment again, so that we can capture the data of the payment here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I am going to open my payment page again. This is our payment page, and let's do a payment again. So I'm selecting the product, and now this time let me fill the name as, let's say, Gaurav and Yadav, and the email address and the mobile number. Right, and I'm going to click on pay, and from this window I'm going to select the payment mode. Right, and let me fill the details quickly here. Sorry, the payment is in the name of Gaurav, so let it be Gaurav, and I'm going to click on pay here, and from here I'm going to click on success, and you can see the payment is successful here. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if the data is captured, and you can see the data is captured of a new payment here like this. Right, so it's showing us the payments amount and all other things like this, right? Now what you have to do, so we want to send the serial number of this software that has been purchased to this person 𝗪𝗯𝗯𝗪𝗵𝘆 𝗣𝗯𝗯𝗪𝗃 who have purchased the software, but we do not want to send serial number on any kind of purchase. See, we can have many products that we are selling online, so we can capture the data of other things also in from Razorpay. Let's suppose that we are also saying t-shirts online and we are receiving the payments from Razorpay. So we do not want to send serial numbers on a purchase of t-shirts. We want to send the serial numbers only when a software got purchased, which is this. So to ensure this, I'm going to click here on this action window, and from this choose app, I'm applying filter here, filter by Pabbly, this one. And here in this entity events select label option, here I'm going to select this label, payment entity notes products. This label I'm going to select here, and when I click here, it will show me this Razorpay payment captured option, and when I click here, it will show me all the data that we have received in the first step. And from here you will see the payment entity notes, this one, product. So select this label and make the filter type equals to, and here in this value just put the name of your software. This is the name of our software. Copy this and paste it here in this value field. So this way we are telling to Pabbly Connect that when the payment got captured for this product, which is this cangenerate antivirus, then only we want to send the serial numbers, right? So when you click here on save and send test request, you will see the status is success and the condition is true, right? So the workflow will continue. Now what you have to do is to generate a serial key. Let me show you the process. Click here on this plus icon, and from this choose app, I'm going to choose another function by Pabbly which is called text formatter. This is text formatter, and we want to generate a serial key. So you can see in this data that we have captured, we have this let me show you, account ID. So this account ID is a unique thing, so we can use this text to send as a serial number, but we do not want to add this ACC here and this underscore. I want only this text to be delivered as a serial key. So for this I am applying text formatter here, and in this action event I'm going to select split text option, and then I'm going to click on connect, and now it is asking text to split. So here I want to enter this value, this text, this account ID text. So to get this text here, you would have to click on this field, then click on Razorpay payment captured option and map this text from here only, right? And in this separator field, I want to separate these things after this underscore. I want this text after these ACC and underscore, from this F to O, I want this as a serial key. So for this, I am going to apply the separator as this underscore here like this. And I want from this segment index, I'm going to select this last option because I want this last part of this text, right? If you select first, it will give you this ACC, the first part, right? And if you select last, it will give you this last part. So I'm going to select last here, and I'm clicking on save and send test request, and you can see the text is splitted here like this. So we got this part that we want as a serial key, right? Now we want to send this key on SMS to our customer, right? So to send SMS, we are going to connect Twilio, click on this plus icon, and from this choose app, choose your application as Twilio, this one, and in this action event, select send SMS option, and then click on connect. And from this window, you have to select add new connection option, and then it will ask for this account SID, authorization token, and the SID account again, right? So to find these things, you have to go to your Twilio console or your dashboard. So this is my Twilio's dashboard, and here you can see I have this account SID. So I'm going to click here on copy and paste this account SID here one time and the second time here. And in this authorization token, you will find the token here. This is authorization token. Click on this copy and paste it here in this field, right? After this, click on save and you will be connected with Twilio like this. It started showing connected. Now it is asking the body of the SMS. So here you can write the message that you want to send. So I'm writing the message here, dear, and after this I'm going to map the name of the person. Our customer is here, okay, Gaurav, and the last name also. And now I'm putting a comma, and now I want another line in my message. So to put another line, you have to write here this /n. So it will add another line in your message. After this, I am going to type here, thank you. So let me fill the whole message here. Okay, so I have written the whole message like this, and here I have attached the serial key that we have generated, and you will find it here in this text formatter field like this. So you can map it from here like this, right? After this, it is asking the sender number. So you will find your sender number in your Twilio console. This is our sender number. Let me show you. This is it. So just copy this number from here and paste it here in the sender number field, right? And in this recipient number, you have to map the number that you have captured here in this first step, okay, here like this. So to get this number here, you just have to click on the recipient number field, click on Razorpay option, and you will find the phone number of your customer here. Let me show you. This is it. Just map it. And when I click here on save and send test request, a new SMS will be delivered, which is this, to Gaurav Yadav, right? Let me show you. I'm clicking here on save and send test request. So now it started showing this type of response here, and the SMS is delivered. Let me show you the mobile phone screen of our customer. Okay, so you can see the customer received this SMS from our side. Dear Gaurav Yadav, thank you for purchasing our software. Your serial key is this one, and if you have any query, contact us at this address. Thank you so much, right? So our connection with the SMS is also working fine. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done. So first of all, in this trigger window, we selected Razorpay application and connected it with the help of this webhook URL. After that, we have done a demo payment to capture the data here like this. After that, we applied the filter to ensure that we will send the serial keys only when the software got purchased, right? Then we applied text formatter to generate a serial key for us from the data that we have received from Razorpay like this. Then we connected Twilio account to send the SMS to customers. We have write this message here, and when I click here on save and send test request, it started showing this type of response, and we have received a new message on the mobile phone of our customer, right? So the workflow is completed. Now you just have to click on save, and we are going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect trial account and start making this automation and running this automation instantly.
So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries and discuss it from this forum, and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can make many different type of integrations using many different softwares by Pabbly Connect and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.